Hey guys, welcome back to Cause 3D. If you haven't watched the last video yet, check out the helmet build on the AT-AT driver. I just finished it up. Wow, it came out perfect. But today, we're gonna focus on one of my top 3 droids of all time, K-2SO. So I went over to the Droid Division Etsy store and I purchased this K-2SO, and I am going to just do the head for now. But I thought with Andor Season 2 recently released, it's time that we dive into this wonderful droid, and I am super excited about this. I printed the upper part of the head of the dome on the Prusa XL, and all the lower parts I printed on my Creality K1s. Let's jump over to the sanding station and dive right into this baby. What an incredibly fun build this was, and easy too. I mean, this thing, I whipped this out in like less than 2 days after I printed it, of course. It needs some weathering, I think, and I'll go back and do some minor weathering and some silver around all the sharp edges on the dome, and I think that'll really make it pop even more. But the guys over at Droid Division, they do this every time. They just blow me away with what they come up with. I'll leave links in the description where you can find these files. I'll tell you what, it was actually just a joy to build. They come with great directions in PDF format, so you know every step of the way kind of what you're doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. I did have a little bit of trouble with the tusks that were up here. Fiddling with those for a couple minutes, figured it out real quick. Glued them in with some E6000, a little bit of super glue as well. Everything just kind of falls together on these builds. I'm very impressed with it. I did follow the recommendations of actually not attaching any of the base together, because if I ever do decide to do a full-sized K2, I've already got the head and I can just remove it, and it's you know, it's on there good. It's not going anywhere. I'm waiting on a puck light because the current light that I have is just a flashlight that I was able to throw in there for a minute, but it lights up the eyes really well. Again, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Keep us going. Keep me motivated to do more builds. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks again.